Black women. I remember one day I was standing outside in the garden, standing on the green grass, just getting some fresh air and looking up at the sky and just enjoying being outside. And there were birds all over the place, pigeons mostly. And I turned to my right and I happened to look down. And I saw one pigeon walking pretty close to me, walking past me. And it looked like it needed me. It was limping. And I'm a big animal enthusiast. I love cats and dogs and, all animals. So I wanted to see if I could help it. And I was lucky enough to reach down and grab hold of it. And I was trying to, calm it down and try to get along with it. But the more I held on, the more it struggled to get free. No matter what my good intentions were, that bird struggled to get away from my grip. And I had to let it go because it was struggling to be free. It was more important for that bird to be free than for me to see if there was anything wrong with it that was causing it to limp. I guess the pain wasn't as strong as the need to be free. And so I let it go and wished it well. Black women, that bird is the black man. And too many of us are holding on to something that wants to be free. I look at Mad Bus Driver and I look at much of his content from time to time and I think to myself, in a lot of ways, he's just like me. He's determined, defiant, and relentless. And I realize that he's pushing what a lot of black men want, is to be free from anything and everything that is black, including black women. And I skate through YouTube and I see black women trying so hard to appease black men, and it's not working, and I don't know why so many black women are doing this, because we have options. I've showed you the links, I've put information up, I've shared so much with you, black women, and I don't understand why so many of us are holding on to something that desperately wants to be free from us. I think that it's a waste of time to bargain with people that do not want us. I see black women going on live streams and they get humiliated, they get belittled and degraded. They get laughed at, they get, and it's sad. It's a waste of time. There's over 3.1 billion men on this planet. I've put the links up before. I've showed you. And black women, when it comes to our happiness, we don't have the luxury to remain stagnant. We must look forward. That is the only way that we can truly be happy. I've said it once and I'll say it again. The black community is dead. Black love is a fucking joke. The black family is being replaced by the mixed race interracial family, and black children are being replaced by mixed race children, and there is nothing that we as black women can do about it, and so we must move forward. I say this out of love because I am a black woman, and it's important that we all understand this. Black women, I will speak more on this, but for now, I'm out.